Stabilizing your video. We have here a pretty shaky video and we want to stabilize it. To stabilize your video, you will come to Tracker, and then from the Tracker, the options here, Window, Stabilizer, you select Stabilizer. Now this is the Stabilize button. It will analyze and stabilize your video in one click. You have three modes to stabilize: perspective, similarity, and translation. Each one of them will give you a different result depending on your footage. So if perspective is not the result that you want, you can choose similarity or translation. I will stick to perspective and click on stabilize to stabilize the video. Notice it's analyzing and stabilizing at the same time. Let's go to the beginning and play our video and see the result. You have here the option for camera lock. If you check it, DaVinci Resolve is going to assume that your camera has been on a tripod, is not moving at all. I will uncheck it and play the video. I want you to notice behind here how the door is moving. Okay, so the camera is moving. Now let's put it on a tripod. That's camera lock. Stabilize again. And if you play, you will notice now behind here there is no movement at all from the door, or very smooth movement. That's because the camera is considered to be on a tripod. How does the DaVinci Resolve work on your video to stabilize it? Let's play the video a bit. I will disable stabilization, bypass it. You notice that when I enable it, there is a kind of zoom. Notice this is without it and this with it. If you remove the zoom and keep the stabilization, if you play, you will notice that it's actually moving your video in 3D space and you have these black areas here. And with the zoom on, they will be cropped out, and of course there is a zoom in. If you remove the camera lock, you will have two options here that will be highlighted. The cropping ratio. This is how much it's allowed to crop to fix the zoom. For example, if I take it towards 1, you notice now it did not crop so much, it adjusted the zoom so you have more shakiness. If you take it to 0.25, that's the maximum in our case, stabilize it again. You notice now the cropping is at its maximum and there is quite some stability. For this video, for example, we can go for camera lock. That's what we should have done. Put it on the tripod and then stabilize. And here you are, you have a perfectly still video and it's quite fast to use the stabilization. So this is about stabilization, and I hope it was useful for you. If you have any shaky video, you can use it from over here. Thank you.